morning, future egg layers. I think we have a couple of roosters in here. Peekaboo! One thing we've started doing is weighing our chick feed. Again, this is one of the things where, oops, zeroed out. We're shooting for about 11, so that's almost 12, which is good because we are right at the end of week 4, heading into week 5, and so we should be bumping up the feed just a little bit. But we've started weighing it. Taking some advice from some other chicken growers. Just trying to make sure we're not overfeeding them. We've heard a lot of negativity from that. But also you don't want to underfeed them because we want them as big as possible. So again, like I said before, it's our first time doing this. A lot of this is trial and error. And we're going to see how it goes. We're documenting everything and increasing the food based on a couple of recommendations from some other guys who do broilers and things like that. So that's why we're doing it. Good morning, chicks. These fellas are getting big. And one thing people don't tell you about with chickens is how much they poop. It is unbelievable. But you can see they're starting to get big. They're getting trained. They know when I'm coming. They hear the chicken bucket full of feed. I have to entice them away, remove the heavy water that they poop in all the time. It's disgusting. Oh my gosh, it's so gross. So I have to clean that up. All right, fresh grass, here we go. Come on. Come on. Hey, crazy bird in the back. Come on, turn around. I see you. There you go. Come on, fresh grass. Come on, move it. All right, so they're on fresh grass. We'll let them enjoy that for a little bit, and then we'll give them their food and water while I move the other ones. You guys are patiently waiting, right? You know what's coming. Getting ready to move you too. They're watching me fill up their feeder. Now, here's the fun part. It's a race to get the feeder in before they attack. They act like they have never eaten before. Fresh grass. Not fresh grass, and we move them every day. Look at that poop. Disgusting. Okay, this is group number 2, and they like to kick over their feeder. Plus it's partly on the hill. But you guys got to watch the other ones eat first. I know it's not fair, but we're gonna move you just a second. Their water is not as bad. All right, move, poopy butt. All right, here we go. Fresh grass. Come on. Come this way. Fresh grass. Fresh grass. Let's go. Hey, big boy, come on. Look at all this fresh grass. Yes. There you go. Nice. Nice fresh grass. I try to lure them over here to the edge, and then I'm gonna race them to put their food down. On your marks, get set, go, go. Oh God, oh, and not get pecked. Yeah, get out of your food. And there you go. Tractors removed, fresh grass, and a beautiful sunrise. I mean, you can't beat that. These chickens have the best view. And that's Grandfather Mountain over there behind the clouds. He'll wake up here in just a little bit. Good morning, Buzz. Time to feed the big chickens. This is a combination of scraps, some paprika, some chili peppers on there, and some dessert. So they're gonna get fed too as soon as their door opens. I know you're ready for breakfast. Here it comes. Our new chicken tank mobile chicken coop. Come on out, Buzz. There you go. First brave one. Look at all. You get the good food, don't you? Right here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Buzz, what in the world? Can't stand it. Well, I thought you were going to get rewarded with some food, but there you go. Yeah, you get the good stuff. The rest of them are sleeping in. Yes, sir. You tell them. Morning chores are complete. And now we got to head off to work. Thank you guys for joining us on this brief video update. You get to see all of our chickens in action. We'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.